I'm Heidi Hewitt, AutoCAD Technical Marketing Manager, here with Donnie Gladfelter, author of the CAD Geek blog. Donnie, with AutoCAD there are just so many tools, and many of the tools that people use are often to perform repetitive tasks,
Certainly.
right? And they do something over and over again. Do you have any tips to offer that might help people automate that process?
Sure. So, it kind of seems like the worst nightmare of most CAD users are, of course, where I've got this really simple task that I need to perform, on some number of drawings. Maybe, I need to turn off a layer and, all of my plan sheets or something like that. And so, interestingly enough, some of my more popular posts on my blog happen to deal with script files, which of course have been around forever now, and the action script or the action recorder inside of, I guess, AutoCAD 2009 and above, both kind of provide really easy ways for somebody without really a lot of programming experience to really automate that stuff. So really both of them, as long as you know how to, I guess, use the command line, you can automate, turn on layers, off layers, or maybe restore a view, or just really any number of things. You're kind of only limited by your imagination, right? And in fact, one thing that I really like about the action recorder is, it kind of puts a graphical user interface onto script files. Not that going into Notepad was ever all that difficult, but it's always nicer to have a little GUI. But the fact that the action recorder, you can actually pause for user inputs, and you get a lot more versatility, it seems, with the action recorder. And it just packages this up into a single file. You can kind of put it on a network, and it actually defines itself as a command. So you can save your action script as a name and just type that name in, and it's just a really good way of deploying that out to a large number of users.
So it's not something that even as easy as they are to create, still maybe the CAD manager could just create that action script and then, like you're saying, deploy it, share it with the rest of the
Right, so they're really easy for the end user to create, and then if they create one that's really helpful, that hey, maybe the whole company might be able to use this. It's all, of course, wrapped up in a single file. You can post it to a network location or shoot it over to the CAD manager, and he can kind of QA QC it as well.
Start looking like the star there, automating these processes.
That's right. Might have to ask for a raise.
There you go. Great. Thanks, Donnie.